Hey guys, it's Amanda. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply two different types of nail powders. One is a mirror powder, also known as chrome, and one is holo. Let's get started. This first step is completely up to you. I'm going to be using my peel-off base coat, but you may want to buff the plate of your nail and use a gel base coat if you would like a super long-lasting manicure. If you do decide to go the gel route, make sure to bake it in your LED or UV lamp. Next, you're going to go in with your gel color. Today I'm using black because I just feel that the chrome and mirror powders, as well as the holo, just seem to show up best over black, but really you can use any color you want. Sometimes a little bit of that base color can show through some of the nail powders that you may use, so it's up to you. Go ahead and bake it under your lamp, and then you're going to go back in with a second layer of your color and bake it again. The next step is really important. You need to use a no-wipe gel top coat. A regular gel top coat has a tacky layer that needs to be removed, and it affects the look of the nail powders. And then after you apply this top coat, you're going to bake it one more time. The first powder I'm going to be showing you is the chrome powder, also known as a mirror powder, and it is a silvery color. It looks like a loose silver glitter, but when you buff it on, it's going to smooth out and look like a mirror. You're going to be using a silicone tool, or you can also use one of those eyeshadow applicators to do this. Either one works. And you're going to press pretty firmly down and rub it into the nail. It can sometimes take a while to buff it into exactly the way that you want it to look. So really just keep going until you're satisfied. If a little bit rubs off in some places, that's fine. Just pick up some more and put it right back. Once you finish buffing it in, you're going to take a brush and just wipe away any excess powder that's left around your cuticles. So the second powder that I'm going to show you is the holo powder. It looks very similar to the mirror powder, except in that macro lens action, you can see the rainbows. So pretty. So the first time that I tried this one, I used the silicone applicator and I tried buffing it in just like I always do with my mirror powder, but it just wouldn't fill in. I don't know if it's the brand of the powder that it just didn't want to buff in like the chrome powder does, so I decided to switch it up. I grabbed an eyeshadow applicator, and rather than buff it in, I pressed it in really firmly and then wiped away any loose powder so it still gave that mirrored holo finish. Once you're done buffing in your powders and wiping away any excess or loose powder, you're going to go ahead back in there with your no-wipe gel top coat, and you're going to put on a nice thick layer, and you're going to cure that under your lamp. And that's it, guys. That's how you use nail powder. It's pretty easy. And once you get the hang of it, you can actually do some pretty cool nail arts. I'll put a little link to that down in the description below. So as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. Hit the bell notification icon so that you get an alert every time I post. And until next time, see ya!